begin by clicking on the New Composition button. I'm okay with the default, so I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Max, select the pen tool, click on Fill, then set it to None, and hit OK. Click on your stroke value and set its thickness. How you'd like to change the stroke's color. Click on the Color Picker box and select your color. Now draw your line. Although I'm doing a line in this tutorial, this trick will work for any shape you want to draw. Once you've finished, click the down arrow next to your shape layer and continue drilling down until you've opened stroke. Here I'm going to change my stroke to dashes. Hit the plus sign twice to do this. To change the number of dashes, click and drag on the dashes value. You can also change the gap between the dashes by dragging the gap's value. Now to animate, go up to the Contents area and click the button next to add Select Trim Paths. Open up the Trim Paths options before continuing. Make sure your time marker is at the start of your video. Then click on the End value and type 0. Click the Timer button next to End to add your first keyframe. Position your time marker for how long you want your animation to last, and then change your end value to 100. When you play back your clip, you'll have a nice animation. If you want to speed up or slow down your animation, just click and drag your second keyframe. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.